Hey y'all, welcome to 255 Cal Escada, a single family home in Santa Rosa Beach, Florida in the Escada subdivision off of Sugar Drive and a few miles east of the Destin Resort. I'm Keith Bailey Realtor, Century 21, AllPoints Realty, 35 years of real estate experience right here. I'm the listing agent for this coming soon listing. I anticipate this listing going live the last week of August. This is a 1,921 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1-story brick home with a fairly new metal roof and a double attached garage. The list price is $485,000. And if you know Santa Rosa Beach real estate, then you'll know that this home has been priced to move quickly. This home won't last long as soon as it hits the market. So schedule your pre-listing appointment before it goes public. Call or text me, Keith Bailey Realtor. Now check this out.